Hey everyone, we are in the toy room, which I just discovered when I was starting to film this that it still has yellow light in here and not white light. So lighting may be a little different in here than what you're used to because it's also night. But we're gonna show you how we get this right here. You see this? It's not what I want it to be. It's okay. So during the school week, I'm not as worried about it. They can just come in here and play when they get done with school. It's all good. But today we are going to work on getting all of this organized and get toys cleaned out that they have outgrown, things that they don't need, and make room for all of the toys that they're probably gonna get for Christmas. They usually get from grandparents and whatnot from Christmas. And we're just going to do a massive toy room clean with me. We're gonna get a bag of get rid of, we're gonna do a bag of trash, and then we're gonna put everything that we're keeping away in here and try to get this room done. Do you think we can do it?
Yes!
I think we can do it. And I think Madeline's gonna go ahead and take her shower. The other two have already had their shower, but we're gonna go ahead and try to knock this out. So first thing in here, we're going to try to get like this doll furniture stuff up. The really cool thing about the Loving Family house though, is that most of the furniture will fold up in here. We just have to take the people and the smaller pieces out and put them in buckets.